Hello everyone. This is a continuation of our video from the part one that we did. Now, in this second part, we're going to be talking about the boron trifluoride and carbon 4 oxide. So let's just go straight. Now, we come here. Here is boron trifluoride, right? The magic number here is equal to boron. Here is remember the group of boron is 3, so group 3 plus the atomic number, the group of fluorine is 7, so it will be 7 times 3, so here become 3 plus 21 is what now? 24 what? Electrons. So what do we do next? Of course, boron is the parent element because it is the element that is fewer in number here, 1 atom. So here becomes boron. Of course, I will spread this other element across this central element. Here is fluorine, here is fluorine, here is what now? Fluorine. Then I will give it a single bond first. Now I will complete this to become octet, right? So that here is what now? 888. So 8 times 3 here is already 24. Because it is equal to this magic number, there is no need for you to force yourself to make this boron here to become what now? Octet. So this is one of the exceptions here. Now we know this. Of course, without wasting time, you agree with me that the boron has 0 lone pair, and that it has 0 lone pair, but it has 3 bond pair, meaning we have 0 lone pair, we have 3 bond pair, so that your region of high electron density, which is equal to your hybrid orbital, is the sum of all the bond following the what now? Central element. And here, because you have 0 here, you have just 3 bond pair here, so here becomes what now? 3. And if your hybrid orbital is 3, then your hybridization will simply be what now? sp2. It's a standard. When you have an hybrid orbital of 2, you are sp, which is 1 of x, 1 of p, that's 2. For 3, sp2, 2 plus 1, 3. For 4, sp3. For 5, nothing like sp4, no, sp3d. For 6, sp3d2. So if here is sp2, you agree with me that here is a trigonal planar because there is no lone pair here. It's a trigonal planar. Not only is it a trigonal planar, it has a bond angle of 120 degree. When you are sp2, your bond angle is 120 degree, most especially when you have no lone pair. So this is for boron trifluoride. Let's quickly move to the carbon 4 oxide. Carbon 4 oxide. So can I erase the board? Okay. Now, in talking about this CO2 here, be very careful here. Magic number. The group of carbon is group 4 plus. Oxygen here is group 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. So it is 16 electrons, right? For the magic number. Now, the central element is carbon. So carbon is like this. Of course, I will first of all give it 1 and 1. That's oxygen here, oxygen here. I'll give it 1 bond, 1 bond. Then I do something like this. Here is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Of course, here is what now? Here is 8 times 2. Here is 8, here is 8. Is it not 16? Now, but here is octet, here is octet. Is here octet? No. Can anything be done? Yes. Any atom that belongs to group 7, they can only form single bond. But when an atom belongs to group 6, it can either form a single or what na a double. When you are in group 7, group 5, or having a charge of -3 or +3, you can form either a single, double, or triple. It depends on the case, especially when the central element is not complete. Now here na something can be done here. Say if this one has single bond, the oxygen atom here can remove one of its lone pair it has on its own and share with this one, right? So here can pull out to give me this. Is still octet 246 2468. So here is octet. Now here can still remove its own here and give here. So here is also what now? Octet. So octet, octet, octet without disturbing it, because oxygen is group 6 and it can form it can form single bond or double bond. So in this case here now, it makes of what we call the double bond. Now I know this, I cannot continue. The carbon has 0 what now? 0 lone pair. There's no lone pair here in this central element here, but it has 2 bond pairs. Is that clear now? Because you are taking double bond as one bond. That's double bond, not 1 2 3 4. No, this is double bond is taken as one, double bond taken as one. So it has 2 what now? 2 double bond, and because it is 2, it is because the ROHED is 2, it is simply what now? An SP. And when you are SP, you are linear, and when you are linear, your bond angle is 180 what degree. And this marks the end of our video under this aspect. If this video has helped you, do well to like, share, and subscribe. And we also offer online classes for students who are having great challenges with chemistry. You can WhatsApp us on this number. This is only for WhatsApp, or these 2 for our calling lines, and also WhatsApp line. So you can reach us via these 2 numbers on the board, and of course we can start our marathon classes with an affordable fee and flexible time hours too. Thank you, and God bless you.